made it to the crab festival. Coach Moss.
Hiroo Horsehair Crab.
Yeah. Fred.
Five Finger Freddy. He's ready.
Oh, shit.
I think I'm gonna wait for this baby. This is the big boiled. Oh, never mind. Look how long the line is.
Everything has got a long line.
Yeah.
Hokkaido kombu.
Hokkaido kombu?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right.
Wow, where'd you get this? Beautiful.
This is salmon soup. Well, let's go to
Yeah.
somewhere we don't hit anyone.
How did you get this so fast?
I was in line for about 15 minutes.
Thank you.
今、広尾にいるんですけど。
What do you have here, Coach Moss?
This
is salmon.
Salmon soup. It looks like we got some carrots. これがまあメインじゃメイン。でも折笠さんの醤油の話も今聞こえてて、キット8個欲しいし、美味しい醤油ロサンゼルのやつとかも何本か持ってくるから全部買うし。
Fishy?
Almost tastes like chicken broth. Wow.
Salmon.
Yeah, how is it?
Good. Delicious.
How is this Get Full festival so far?
Awesome.
Good, good.
I think we're the only foreigners here. Want to try a little bit?
Loco, I know you.
He got his own.
Yeah.
You gotta eat it.
Yes.
Good.
Oh, what are those? Is it takoyaki? No.
中に牛肉が入ってるんですよ。牛肉がゴロッと。
Sure, let's try some. How do you...
一皿2個入り。
2個入り。
ね、2皿ください。2皿。I got it. It's good.
500円になります。
はい。
ありがとうございました。How is it? Good? Alright.
I don't know what's in it, but it's good.
I think it's beef.
It says beef wrapped in potato base, potato dough, vegan vegetable. Good.
87番最後かな。はい。63番。
I got something.
63番。9番。
Pancake dough. Sweet beans inside.
Oh, like a toriyaki? No.
Dorayaki. Yeah.
Like a big, oh, okay. Big one.
We call it Chinese. Chinese bun.
Oh.
Chino.
Chino.
pan.
Chino.
46番。
Chawa.
46番。
No.
10番。
How is it small?
10番。
No, I want small
以
one.
上、女性の部の皆さんです。
Thank you.
ど
Put
う
it
でしょ
over
う
here.
か。
Thank you.
お近くにいらっしゃるので。
Chinese bun.
どうでしょう。
Giant toriyaki.
I got one more.
Yeah. Good?
We have a sweet tooth. We love sweet stuff.
Yeah. But it's like almost healthy sweet stuff.
男性の方でですね、お二人何度か今お呼びしたんですけども、いらっしゃらないということで、お、拍手。
We're getting a Miyazaki beef,
Okay. Oh,
full blood
wow.
Wagyu.
Wow.
Smell it.
Last champion of the Wagyu Olympic.
Oh, wow.
So John, you want to use a finger?
I can use my finger.
So it's salted and peppered,
Yeah.
but not sauce.
Did you say shiu koji?
No, shio kosho.
Sounds good. See through. Wow.
That's the reason I chose that. Look at that trip. This is amazing. Pure Wagyu fat.
Oh my god. Now that, wow.
That's called pure the fat.
Yeah. It's like 5 bites and it evaporates. Oishii! Totemo oishii. Wow. All I know is I saw the wasabi sticker. I was like, gotta buy that.
Yeah.
According to Utah, this is
Is it squid? Yeah, maybe dried squid.
dried squid with wasabi flavoring.
Oh yeah, I see the squid.
Right there, right? Oishii.
Oshi.
がこの中にカニがありますが、それぞれ皆さんのグラム数全部違うの。ストップウォッチ持った。せーの、レディーゴー。そういうのを用意してたんだ。いきますよ。さあ、味噌からいきましたね。2ですね。急げ急げと言われていますよ。3、2、1、終了。以上です。応援ありがとう。はい、第29代十勝青空レディです。はい、高井睦さんです。おめでとうございます。おめでとうございます。
そばで旦那さんだと思う。旦那さん。そばだよ、そばね。はいはいはい。あ、ごめんなさい、ネギ乗せます。すいません。
ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。Crab udon. How's the seafood curry? Excellent.
Good.
Toshmash.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Yep. Very delicious.
How's the udon? With
All right.
Crab?
Good.
I negotiated. I buy 8. You give me that corn bread.
Oh, okay. Good, good, good.
はい、ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございました。
Thanks for joining us today. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe wherever you get your podcasts. If you enjoyed this episode, it only takes a moment to post a positive rating and review. Your support allows us to grow the community and reach more extraordinary people just like you. And come check out the Art of Chef YouTube channel on your next lunch break. We'd love to see you there. Thanks again for listening. See you in the next episode.